city of India and Visakhapatnam, a laid-back city, and it's the start of the 5-match T20 series between India and Australia. And it was India who won the toss and decided to field first. So out come India as they take the field. It's a young side. Talking about Steve Smith opening for the first time in international cricket. So all set for play to start, and here's Arshdeep Singh. Straight away, and anything down the leg side, and he's off and away with a typical Steve Smith shot, hit on the up. Oh, that's hit hard, very hard. Second boundary for Smith. Another one. That's the best of the lot. That raced away, total control. And that's pulled away. A short delivery and put away by short. Let's crash that through the offside. He's used the pace here to good effect. One bounce over the rope. Cleaned up. A full ball. Trying to play the wing. If not Steve Smith, it's going to be Matthew Shaw for Ravi Bishnoi, and the first wicket down for Australia. Oh, what a shot to start off. Drives through the covers, and it's a boundary for Josh Inglis. And pace on, and it goes to the boundary. Oh, again in the gap. Again missing his length, missing his line. And then he bowls one outside the off stump, which has been clattered over point for a 6. Goes for the slower one. It's been picked very nicely. Another boundary to Josh Inglis. Oh, 22 runs coming off that over.
It's a feeler in the deep. That's well placed again from Josh Inglis. Lot better. He's got a rush, not striker's end. Oh my God! How close was that? Bishnoi misses it completely. That should have been wicket number 2 for India. Oh, that is amazing piece of timing. That's a very good shot. Well timed, well placed. Will get a boundary, Smith. Has he timed it? Yes, he has. Goes over long on. Brings up his 50 with that massive 6. 53 of just 29, his maiden T20I half century. Well played, Josh Inglis. He goes over extra cover. This is a brilliant shot. Lot slower, picks it up early, finishes the over with a maximum 18 from it. It's 1-1-0 for 1 after 12.
Steve Smith with the slot sweep. Try in the deep from Arshdeep Singh, doesn't get a hand to it. They have to come back to Prasidh Krishna. And it's sailed over square legs head. Goes into out and does enough on it. Takes it over the rope.
Smashing in both sides. Smith now having a bit of action of his own.
Oh, with an offer again. And 50 for Steve Smith with that boundary.
He's continuing on his great form from the Big Bash League.
No timing. Throw at the non-striker's end. Is there a run out finally? Is Steve Smith short of his ground because he's walking?
Yeah. Satisfied. Wickets broken. Batter short of the ground. Ready with my decision for the big screen.
Yeah, easy decision for the third umpire. And Steve Smith is already into the pavilion for a well-made 52. Australia 161 for 2.
Wow. Now that's outthinking, outsmarting the bowler. He's got that fine And a scintillating 100 here for Joss Inglis, his first in international cricket. And it's been a magnificent innings.
Well played, young man.
Oh, he's played a couple of those shots. And they race away to the boundary so quickly. Just a flick this time. He's taken on the boundary on the second attempt. Just while juggling with the ball. But comes up with the catch to end a magnificent innings from Joss Inglis. 110 of just 50. And is away with the boundary. Oh, that's crashed through the offside. Oh, that's a terrific hit. That's an excellent last over. Misses it.
What a shot. Very first ball, Yashasvi Jaiswal with his trademark cover drive. Oh, with the pull shot. It's gone very high and it's gone all the way. Had to wait for it. A change of pace from Marcus Stoinis. Wants the second. A bit of a mix-up. A bit of a fumble from Matthew Wade. And Ruturaj Gaikwad has been sold down the river without facing a delivery.
0 off 0. India 11 for 1.
Big sweep. Big sweep. Top edge. Has it gone all the way? Yes, it has. Goes over now. Finds the man. Finds the exact man who had walked in to the 30-yard circle. Steve Smith. Very safe pair of hands and match shot. His first international wicket in the form of Yashasvi Jaiswal. Oh, that's exactly where he likes it. Surya Kumar Yadav. Disdainfully easy.
This is better. This will go the distance.
Oh, shot. What a shot. All the way. An expensive over. This first one from Sean Abbott.
Again, timed extremely well. This is a quick outfield. And the ball wins again. That's fine. And 4. Fine leg up in the circle. Again, excellent timing. That is a quality shot.
Smashes it, but straight to the fielder. Does well. Oh no, he hasn't. Goes aerial and goes all the way. Ishan Kishan.
Goes again.
It's in the gap for sure, and it's long enough. Another 6. Yes, Sanga's under tremendous pressure now. Wanting to go over fine leg, but gets a very thickish outside edge. Times it all right. India and Ishan Kishan needed this one.
It's going to be a good end to this game, and what a way to bring up your 5th half century in T20 internationals. Ishan Kishan on the sidelines for the last month and a bit. Goes again. Misses. The tallest man on the field is it. This time over extra cover, but finds the fielder. Match shot. A deep extra. Ishan Kishan is in disbelief because he thought he timed it all right. Oh, shot. What a way for Surya Kumar Yadav to bring up his 16th half century as well. 2 batters who have done it in style. First Ishan Kishan and now Surya Kumar Yadav. Is that in the gap? Yes, powered through mid-wicket for 4. Oh, there you go, just as we talk about it. You just play into the batter's hand if you do something like that. You need to be extremely accurate. Top edge, throws it wide outside. Not an easy catch, but a stunning one by Marcus Stoinis. The ball was swirling.
Tilak Baba gone for 12. It's 154 for 4.
What a fine placement. It's not about muscle all the time. It's about cricketing smarts. What a fine placement. It's not about muscle all the time. It's about cricketing smarts. Oh, once again, fine placement. The master of T20s at his best. Oh, picks it up nicely. Overshot fine, so that extra delivery has cost.
Boundary of the first ball. Oh, clean strike. And that'll be 6. Oh, he's at his best now. He's been there long enough. And he just peppers every corner of the field. Proper 360-degree player, this. That's up in the air. Oh, what catching this is from Australia. This is brilliant catch.
The skipper trudges off. 80 off 42. Fantastic knock. India 194 for 5.
But Rinku Singh bangs it down the ground for 4. And sliced away for 4. That's up in the air. Now, what's happened here now is India still need 2. 3 balls remaining and a new batsman will be on strike. Swing, Messi, and a run out. So another wicket goes. Bishnoi run out, but Rinku Singh will be on strike. It's still not over. India still need 2. 2 balls remaining. Swings away on the onside. Wants to come for 2. Oh, another run out. Another run out, it looks like.
Thank you, Director. Batter shot off the ground. Wickets broken. I'm ready with my decision for the big screen.
Out. So the score's level. Nashdeep Singh has to go 2 or 8 for 8. Here comes Abbott. Rinku Singh.